Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to Travel with T. My name is Tolu Adeshola from Royalty Stores. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning. And if this is your first time, come on, join the family. Here we talk about travels, we talk about DIYs on how to travel, where you go to, and how to get your visas easily. If you like the topic, which is how to know the recent things about Dubai visa, then come along with me in this video. Okay, today we are going to be talking about Dubai visas. We're going to be talking about the 48 hours visa, the 96 hours visa, the 30 days visa, and the 60 days multiple entry visa. If this is of any interest to you, come along the way. At the end of this video, and make sure you watch to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you some freebies about Dubai visa. Come along with me. Okay, so like I said earlier, we have different types of visa, which is the visiting visa. For the context of this video, I'll be talking about the visiting visas, which is the 48 hours visas, the 98 hours visas, the 96 hours visas, and the 60 days, 30 days visa, then the 60 days multiple entry visas. Okay, so in the past, for you to get those visas, you must actually do Emirates flights. You know, Emirates flights was one of the requirement for the visas. Once you get your Emirates flights, then you need to drop your passport data page, your passport photo, and also have a sponsor. Okay, since you are using Emirates, that means Emirates will be the sponsor for the visa. For the 96 hours visa and the 48 hours visa in the past, if you are less than 41 years old, you will be required to bring an account statement for 6 months. That is a 6 months account statement. But from now on, the restriction is over and they've removed that restriction. So for 96 hours visa and 48 hours visa, for the short visas, any age, you don't need the account statements anymore. So if you are 41 years old, or you are 41 year below, or you are 41 year above, once you get an Emirates ticket, you can always get the Dubai 96 hours visa and the 48 hours visa. And if you are still if you want the 30 days visa or the multiple entry visa, and you're below 41 years, you still need the requirements are still on. You still need your account statement that has $10,000 for 6 months. That means every month, if it's January, February, March, April, May, 6 months, from 6 months backward to the time you are applying, each month, at the end of each month, must have $10,000. That's about 50 million naira thereabout. Yes, somebody was okay. Dubai now wants strictly rich people. I think Dubai is beginning to do like the European countries, and they don't want riffraffs in their countries. I don't blame them for that, because they just want people that are okay, and they want to know you are coming, the reason you are coming, and why you are coming. And for you to even get the visa, if you are underage, you still need to pass through some things. They call it a security check. I really don't know what they are checking, but they send you a form to fill where you pay the sum of 433,000 naira. Once you pay this amount, then they send you another letter to go to their embassy for biometrics. Note that not everybody gets these conditions. Probably they are checking your visa. They can see that, okay, this person has enough money, this person has this person has that. Okay, so once they find you worthy for that visa, that is when they now send you that link, or they find you unworthy for the visa. Probably you meet all the requirements. They will now send you that link for you to do the payment for the security check, which is 433,000, and also for you to go to their embassy for biometrics. During these biometrics, they just ask you a few questions: what you are going to Dubai to do, when you are going to Dubai, and why you want the visa. It's just a casual interview is nothing serious. Most of the people we've sent for such interview come back with the visa. I've never seen anybody that gets denied during the interview. So with this, you will actually get a visa. Right now, I'm talking about the 30 days visa and also the 60 days multiple entry visa. Okay, so do you want any of this Dubai visa? Why not call the numbers showing on your screen or contact us on our Instagram page at Royalty Stores or our Facebook at Royalty Stores. Also on TikTok at Royalty Stores. If you are not following me yet, come on, click the subscribe button and follow me and enjoy more amazing videos with Travel with T. Goodbye and God bless you. Have a nice day.